friends, my name is Professor M. S. Rao. I have authored 52 books including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Nobel laureate, His Holiness Dalai Lama, is it in a foreword. I have 42 years of diversified experience including Indian Air Force, business, teaching and training. In this video, I talk about making money and financial independence. Everyone must be independent financially, and you must emphasize on financial literacy and financial independence. So when you are independent, so you can lead your life peacefully and happily without depending others. And for that, you should have a right mindset, tool set and a skill set. Making money is all about your mindset. Sometimes there will be challenges, there will be disturbances which we can't help, but at the same time we should find out ways and means to adjust any challenges and gradually align everything and fall into the track so that we can lead in a right direction and we can achieve our goals, whether it's financial goals or personal goals or professional goals, whatever it is. And there are certain ways to make money. You can freelance, you can become a gig worker and make money, and you start a blog and upload videos, and you have to work very hard, or you have to work smart, work wise, and you have to work consistently. Don't look for results. Results take its own time. So you have to be very positive and you have to keep doing work by taking feedback from time to time, so that you will fall into the track and you go in the right direction. And invest money in the various areas. First of all, if there are any loans or debts are there, clear them, and so that you will be free. And if you don't have any money also, you can become a real estate agent, you can become mutual funds agent, you can become an insurance agent. Like that, there are so many ways to make money without investing any money. And if you have less appetite for risk, and you can start a side hustle and keep moving in the direction. If you feel confident and competent, then you can convert side hustle into full-time business, so you can become a successful entrepreneur. It all depends on the fire that you have and the kind of habits you follow, the discipline you have. When you have so, you will be able to achieve everything in this world. Believe in pluck, not luck. Luck is temporary, but pluck is something you need to have. You should be very courageous in what you are doing. You must be a risk taker. Age is just a number. When you look at Colonel Sanders, he had lots of setbacks. In the old days, he became successful. He was a military officer and he started KFC and he became successful. So age is just a number. What you should have is the fire in your belly, and have a discipline and focus so that you will be achieve goals the way you want. When you look at my own life, I was blessed to be alive of the brain stroke in the year 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology, because of the power of subconscious mind, and because of the healthy habits that I acquired from Indian Air Force. I'm a late bloomer with OCD, Dyslexic and ADHD. Add to that, the brain stroke worsened my health. I'm 60 years old with mental challenges, physical challenges and financial challenges. My right hand was paralyzed and numb, there is no sense. I was born in a toxic family, grew up in a toxic environment. I still belong to a lower middle class family because I was caring for adding value and shaping students as global leaders. So now I have to think of ways and means so that I can lead my life peacefully and happily. And I have discharged the responsibility of my sons, and they are leading their own paths. So now I have to lead my own path financially. So the message from this video is that be positive, keep moving the right direction, so you will be able to achieve your goals, whether it's personal goals, professional goals, or whatever the kind of goals that you have set in. So keep moving the right direction. Above all, be resilient. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel.